If you have a history of rolling over on your ankles and spraining them, they may be weak and/or you might have tight calf muscles as well. To stretch out the left gastrocnemius portion of the calf muscles, start by engaging the inner core muscles below your belly button. Plant your left foot and heel into the ground and keep your low back flat as possible as you maintain a tight core. Then, step your opposite foot towards the wall and place your hands at shoulder height onto the wall in front of you. As you bend your right knee, pretend you're pushing the wall down in front of you while keeping your low back flat, core engaged, and the left heel planted on the ground. This is an excellent way to stretch out the main portion of your calf muscles if they are really tight. Many sports involve the use of a mobile calf muscle, and doing this stretch can increase your ankle mobility to help you improve performance, especially in running related sports and activities.